So what are you making today, babe?
An accidental recipe. About probably 2 months ago, I only had some green peppers, onions, seasonings, and some pasta. No meat. And I made it up, and I've made it like 5 or 6 times now because everybody loves it. So that's what we're making now. Pasta.
It's a 16-inch fan. We're gonna mount it up. We're in a temperature switch.
Why do you keep wiping the Jeep?
Guys, you're sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back and
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
Guys, she did have a trash bowl when she was doing that.
Well, I prepped him.
She prepped. She's a big prepper. Little preppy, aren't you?
I'm going to start cooking now. Yes, thick because then they don't get all mushy.
And you leave the stem on because...
Well, or else everything starts separating. The onion starts literally falling apart, and you can't cut it. Because I make them like this because when they cook, they're easy to grab with your noodle. Because these are long, they're the spaghetti noodles. I can feel them. They're starting to do it. Oh my goodness. Those are strong. Oh. God, where's my hands? I tied it too high. You don't ever want to cut yourself, even though it doesn't look perfect. It's still good. So at the end, you put it down again, and then you chop it like that. Don't try to cut yourself. Try to get to the end. Don't do it. I know from experience. Alright, now we're going to put in some ingredients.
Our favorite ingredient, garlic. Never can have too much oil.
4 teaspoons.
Why you put the parchment paper down?
To help the vegetables not to stick to the pan. That's pretty much it.
Let the mixing begin.
You ready? Get your hands dirty.
The counter's dirty too.
And if you ain't getting things dirty in the kitchen, then you're not cooking.
Dirty girl.
You can never cook without getting things dirty. I mean, hello. Okay. Now we're gonna roast these. So you gotta get them in now. There's also, the flavors are going to soak up into the noodle. Oh, it's like a noodle covered with all these flavors. It's really yummy. And there's no sauce in it. And my husband's cooking the noodles.
Nope, there's the messy drawer.
Messy drawer. This is what you call a utensil drawer. You know, like a tool drawer.
Looks like
Tool drawer.
it's cleaner than my toolbox.
And these are great. These are bamboo. If you ever buy wooden spoons, buy bamboo. These have lasted me 20 years. No splintering. They're soft. They're, yeah. Just a tip. Ooh, yeah. Let's see what's this doing.
Sizzling.
What are you doing?
You're moving the pasta off.
Well, they're almost ready.
So you let them rest without the heat?
Not too long. You will because it's still cooking. Let's see. Okay. All right. Come on now. They're still cooking, so you just kind of take them off, let them rest. That's still cooking. So when that's done, this will be done. And then we're ready to mix. For moisture. All that roasties, y'all. Let's see if I can do this.
That's where we go in.
You see the flavors just mixing in the noodles? That's why you put so many flavors in roasted veggies. Just like sits there and just marinates into the noodles.
Soaks it all up.
You just keep stirring until you feel like all of it, you got some on the... And you just put them back in. I mean, it's a clean area.
Well, she says if you ain't making a mess, you ain't cooking.
Nope. It's very true. Sorry. That's why they said to get a spoon. Oh my god. Mm-hmm. Yep. It's the roasted vegetables, y'all.
Y'all stay tuned.
Our dog fell asleep over there, snoring.
Yeah, she is. She sounds like you, babe. What are you supposed to do? Like, take one and throw it at a wall? I'm not doing that. I have to clean it off. No, not happening. No, you can feel it. Ah! I burned myself. Sorry, Brandon. I burned myself with water. Not on purpose. That's Brandon yelling in the background. No, I was stirring in...
There's muscles. Getting a belly on you, boy.
Mm-hmm.
No, he's not.
No, he's not.
I've been growing it out. Bulking up. Trying to.
Dinner's almost ready, Brandon. I know, you just drank that, so you're not even hungry.
Bella is bored of the process.
Babe, I took pictures.